The coronavirus has now killed 6 people in the United States. All of the victims were in Washington state. 4 of them were living in the same nursing home. Today, New York and New Hampshire announced their first cases. 5 Minnesotans have been tested, but they all came back negative. Today, Minnesota state leaders announced that Minnesota can now test cases here instead of sending the samples to the CDC.
The testing that now can happen as of this morning is a really good thing. We're able to test up to 100 a day.
Governor Tim Walz says in-state testing will help with early detection. Meanwhile, a Minnesota couple is finally home after their trip to the Japanese coast turned into a month-long quarantine.
Hildeen and Amy Ellefson were on a cruise last month when the coronavirus started to spread. Although they weren't infected, they still had to be quarantined at sea, then on an airbase. Our Jeff Wagner talked with a couple who are happy, healthy, and home.
Of all the travelers stepping through MSP International Airport, none might be more thankful than Amy Ellefson and Ron Hildeen to finally be in Minnesota.
I'm vacationed out.
That's if you can even call their 45 days away from home a vacation. The couple was on board the Diamond Princess cruise ship where hundreds of people contracted the coronavirus last month, forcing them to be quarantined on board, docked in Japan's Tokyo Bay.
You have to, make the best of it because we have no control.
They were then cleared to fly home with other Americans on a 747 turned cargo plane with no windows, only to be quarantined again at an airbase in California awaiting their test results.
The scariest thing for us too was if one of us were negative and one of us were positive, it would be very stressful for being separated.
Lucky for them,
The only test I ever wanted to fail.
the results were negative.
We both had flu shots just before. Maybe helped, maybe did. We also had pneumonia shots. And this thing usually comes back at you with a pneumonia.
Yeah.
And who knows,
They still had to bide their time on base where fences lined the property and board games kept them busy.
But it just went on and on and on and on, and then there was the anticipation with how you're going to get home and when you're going to get home.
And now that they are home,
Finally.
Ellefson is eager to get back into a normal routine. Hildeen simply wants a cheeseburger, the last leg of a memorable vacation for reasons they never expected.
You can see he got that cheeseburger when he got home. The couple was grateful that Delta upgraded them to first class on their flight home. They also have a free voucher for another cruise, which they plan to use, but not until the outbreak concerns fade away, Amelia.
They have a pretty good attitude, though.
Yeah, I mean,
for being gone that long.
Helps when test results come back negative, but yes,
Definitely.
they stayed positive with their attitude throughout.
Thank you, Jeff.